Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. I'm Holly Payne, Editor Video Production and Deputy Editor at Seatrade Cruise. I am very excited to tell you that I am in Burgas in Bulgaria for MedCruise's 63rd General Assembly. And with me to talk about the various tasks that he has been working on is Johnny Stumbuk, responsible for membership and sponsorship at MedCruise, and assistant to the general manager at the port of Zadar. So thank you very much, Johnny, for speaking with me today.
Hi, Holly. It's always nice to speak with you.
Well, I have some questions for you, Johnny. So first of all, I'd like you to tell me how long you've been with MedCruise and your journey with MedCruise.
Actually, it's a little bit embarrassing, but I'm 18 years. Actually, not me. So, Port of Zadar Authority is 18 years member of the MedCruise. So, we started in, I think, in 2005. Because in that moment we have a huge development process in Zadar. We started with to build a new cruise terminal with sea organs, and after that a new port, just to relocate all ferries and cruise ships from the old city port to the new location, just 3 kilometers from the peninsula. So that was a very stressful thing, and in that time so we decided that we need to be very visible, and we decided to go to join MedCruise. And that was actually a perfect idea. So just a few years after, we use a lot of promotional tools that MedCruise members have. For example, direct contacts with cruise companies. So we exchange experiences with cruise companies. They gave us also many very useful inputs for port infrastructure, what was not just very useful, that was crucial for our port development plan.
Right. I mean, Johnny, you've already explained a little bit about, the advantage of working with MedCruise. Are there any other benefits to working with MedCruise?
There are a lot of benefits to be a member of the MedCruise. Always is depending how many tools you are using, but when you are in the MedCruise, you have direct contacts with cruise companies through the business-to-business meetings. You also, this is perfect promotional tool because you can be visible through all MedCruise materials and publications, as the MedCruise Statistics is the MedCruise Yearbook, and all these publications are going to the many addresses, thousands and thousands addresses all around the world. And if you want to be visible, you need to be a MedCruise member.
I see. So that's a key message, and as we've seen, here in Burgas, there's great opportunities to connect and explore various topics and get key insights right from your big membership.
Mm-hmm. And what is also a crucial thing that MedCruise is perfect educational platform. So if you want to hear some news about the cruise industry, if you want to see best practices from other ports, if you want to exchange many things with and many similar topics with other ports, you are in the right place.
Perfect. So I want to ask you now, Johnny, about some initiatives. What are you working on currently?
So actually, I'm a little bit new in the board of directors of the MedCruise, but we are working very hard on our new. We are developing new promotional tools. So our port members, they already had very strong promotional tools, but this time we decided also to MedCruise is actually a very strong brand. So we want to use this brand to develop, let's say, to earn more money, to make more good things for our MedCruise members. So if you are better, if you have more financial things, invite more cruise companies. You can pay more projects. You can invite many experts on your General Assembly. So actually, you can grow. You can grow with these tools, and so we decided also to put new products, as it will be possible also to advertise in our publications. So as I already told you, so our publications are very visible, and they're going to many addresses, also to cruise companies, to the journalists, to port members, to many decision makers in the world, and so it was a very good thing, and so our president and our MedCruise secretariat, they also decided to use this opportunity to be and also to give a chance to our port members and others to advertise in our publications. And not just to advertise, it will be also possible to be a general sponsor of MedCruise General Assemblies. And so actually, for the beginning, we can just tease tease people about our new products, but just in 1 or 2 months, everything will be out.
And well, it sounds great. And it may seem like a very basic question, Johnny, but please could you tell us, for those who are unfamiliar with it, about the General Assembly, about what it is and why it takes place?
So, actually, General Assembly is all port members, and I think this time we had 17 cruise companies also join us this time. So actually, as I already told you, that this is perfect platform for any kind of activities, for any kind of knowledge you want to receive from other members, also not from other members, from cruise companies. Perfect promotional tool for everybody. And this time, for example, this time we had very interesting topics on our panels, and we had very interesting guests. Thank you for all of them that they visit us this time, and to be part of our family. Actually, we are not just MedCruise family. Family you cannot choose. We are more than that. We are friends.
This is wonderful, and it's a pleasure to be among your MedCruise family, and also to have the pleasure of MedCruise attending Seatrade Cruise Global next year. We've got Seatrade Cruise Med as well. So thank you very much, Johnny. It's been a pleasure chatting with you. Thank you for watching. To find out more about MedCruise, visit www.medcruise.com. If you'd like to read about the latest news and industry developments, head over to www.seatrade-cruise.com, where you'll also find our Seatrade Cruise talks, videos and podcasts. Thank you for listening.